Hello, supply chain professionals. Are you considering pivoting into a new industry? We've got great news. Many industries need your skill set. Manufacturing, healthcare, retail, logistics, aerospace are just a few of the sectors you can explore. Whether you're seeking fresh challenges or looking to expand your experience, transitioning between industries as a supply chain manager is more achievable than you might think. Today, we'll walk through the key steps to successfully pivot industries while leveraging your supply chain management skills. Step 1. Assess your current skills and experience. Before doing anything else, take a close look at your current skills and experience. Supply chain management principles are largely transferable across industries. Focus on the core competencies you possess, such as data analytics, your ability to interpret data and optimize operations. Project management, your experience in leading projects and managing timelines. Process improvement, your skills at identifying inefficiencies and implementing solutions. These are valuable in any industry, so highlight them in your resume and LinkedIn profile. Step 2. Research the target industry. Next, thoroughly research the industry you're interested in. Although your skills can transfer across many sectors, each has its own unique challenges, requirements, and opportunities. For instance, healthcare, you'll focus heavily on compliance and regulatory requirements. In technology, you must emphasize speed and innovation in supply chain processes. In retail, you'll need to juggle sometimes complex inventory management and logistics. Identify how your current skills can be applied to help solve problems in the new industry. This will help you tailor your application material and speak confidently in interviews. Step 3. Network and connect with industry professionals. Networking is crucial when shifting into new industries. Join professional associations and attend industry conferences and events. Platforms like LinkedIn are invaluable for connecting with industry insiders. Reach out to supply chain managers who have successfully made similar transitions and ask for advice or informational interviews. Their insights can provide valuable guidance and potentially open doors to new opportunities. Step 4. Acquire relevant certifications or training. Consider obtaining certifications or additional training relevant to your target industry. It can be a real game changer. Some examples include healthcare, certifications in healthcare supply chain management, technology, training in agile methodologies or software used in tech supply chains, retail, courses on retail logistics and e-commerce supply chains. These certifications can make your resume stand out and show your commitment to mastering industry-specific skills. Step 5. Tailor your resume and cover letter. Customize your resume and cover letter to reflect your interest and readiness to transition to the new industry. Highlight relevant achievements and use industry-specific language. Demonstrate how your experience in supply chain management can address the specific needs and challenges of the target industry. Show potential employers that you've done your homework and you are ready to hit the ground running. Step 6. Be ready to explain your transition. In interviews, be prepared to discuss why you're making the pivot and how your skills are transferable. Employers want to see that you are passionate about the new industry and understanding its nuances. Share specific examples of how your previous experiences has prepared you for the challenges and opportunities in the new sector. Ready to pivot? Changing industries as a supply chain manager is an exciting opportunity to expand your horizons and tackle new challenges. By assessing your skills, researching the target industry, networking, acquiring relevant certifications, tailoring your application material, and confidently explaining your transition, you'll be ready and well on your way to a successful career pivot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career insights and tips.